Want a simple way to help your child with ADHD not just survive, but truly thrive every single day? Stick around because today I'm sharing surprising secrets to building healthy habits that actually stick. No nagging, no guilt, and no burnout. Welcome to Educatable, where science meets heart. Together, we are empowering lifelong change for kids, parents, and educators. And if you want more practical, research backed tools for personal growth and parenting, make sure to hit subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's start with this question. Why are sustainable habits so hard, especially with ADHD? Here's the thing. ADHD brings very real challenges: impulsivity, distractibility, struggles with executive function, and this isn't about willpower or laziness. These challenges are wired into the brain. Consistency becomes the hardest thing to maintain, yet is the very thing habits depend on. The good news: habit building doesn't have to feel monumental. It can be compassionate, manageable, and even rewarding. Now, a question I get all the time: how long does it take to build a habit? For ADHD brains, the answer isn't about a magic number of days. It's about tiny wins. Research shows that small, consistent steps, what I call mini habits, are far more effective than giant leaps. Think less overnight transformation and more steady progress that feels doable. Another common concern: what if we slip or fail? Well, here's the truth: slip ups will happen. The key is to pause and reflect. Ask yourself, what tripped us up? Then respond with self compassion. Adjust the plan. Because a setback isn't failure, it's just information. And if you really want these habits to stick, your child has to feel involved. Frame this as a shared journey. Use we instead of you. Ask for their ideas. Even an 8-year-old can help design a bedtime routine or pick a reminder song. When kids feel like co-creators instead of rule followers, they are far more motivated to stick with it. So, here are 5 habit building strategies that truly last. First, start tiny. Choose just one very small habit. For example, instead of overhauling the whole morning routine, try: let's put our school bag by the door every night. Small success creates big momentum. Second, co-design routines. Collaborate, don't dictate. If bedtime is a struggle, invite your child to help choose a cue. Maybe a favorite song that signals time to brush teeth. Third, lean on visual cues and predictability. Charts, reminders, checklists, they work. Routines create structure and structure supports focus. Fourth, celebrate tiny progress. Praise the small wins. Maybe offer simple rewards like extra play time instead of punishments or guilt. And fifth, build flexibility right in. Life will throw curveballs. Anticipate pushback, have backup plans, and show that being adaptable is a strength. Now, let's zoom out for a moment. Foundational lifestyle habits matter too. Research shows that screen time, sleep, and physical activity are deeply connected to ADHD symptoms and mental health. Too much screen time, say 4 hours or more a day, can increase anxiety and behavioral issues. But regular movement, nutritious meals, and consistent sleep can balance that risk and improve focus. Think of these as the supportive pillars that hold up everything else. Let me share a simple example of a mini habit plan. Let's say you want to create a calm bedtime routine. Cue: dim the lights at 8 pm, maybe even play a soft chime. Action: do one calming activity, read a story, stretch, or have a quiet chat. Tiny win: just 5 minutes of peaceful connection before bed. Celebrate: a sticker, a hug, or saying, "We rocked that tonight." Adjust: if it doesn't work, don't give up. Reflect. Maybe a different cue or activity will click better. See, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Here's what I want you to remember: habits take time. Each slip up is just data, not defeat. Model self-compassion. Celebrate every bit of progress and keep going. When you teach your child to build habits this way, you are giving them more than routines. You are giving them confidence, resilience, and a sense of self ownership over their own life. If this plan feels helpful, I'd love for you to subscribe Educatable. Together, we'll keep building sustainable, heartfelt strategies for parenting and personal growth. Because real change doesn't happen overnight. It happens day by day, hand in hand. Let's build something lasting together.